So the new generation of Toyota Supra. When it first came out, there's a little bit of hesitation in the market, but I think overall the tide has really shifted to a general acceptance and for some even a loving of the new generation of the Toyota Supra. In today's video, I don't want to spend a ton of time talking about the Supra, but instead, let's take a listen to the race car version of this Toyota Supra because it sounds amazing. So Toyota already has a GT4 version of the Toyota Supra for racing, but now there's also a GT300 version, which hits a little bit more home for Toyota and to races that matter kind of for Lexus and Toyota in that region. Since this is a brand new version of the race car, we don't have a ton of information on it, but it's pretty safe to assume that it will continue on with the same 3.4 liter V8 engine that Toyota has been using since 2006 in this class of race car. So perhaps one of the most exciting things is hearing a screaming, high-revving, small displacement V8 race car engine in a Toyota Supra because it sounds absolutely amazing. So without further ado, let's take some time to listen to some sound clips of it. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. It's a bit of a different take, but really the news topic here was just to hear this amazing sounding engine inside the Toyota Supra race car. It creates some excitement for what might be in the future for the Toyota Supra, and we can speculate on some of that down below in the comments. But for now, thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like and get subscribed to this channel so you don't miss future videos like this one covering automotive news topics across the industry. But thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in our next video.